Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of manually connecting your bank account in Odoo. Synchronizing your bank with Odoo allows for seamless financial tracking, automated transactions, and smooth reconciliation. We'll dive into the details, show you how to set it up, and explain the benefits of connecting your bank account. Let's get started. First, we need to go to the accounting menu in Odoo. From here, navigate to Configuration and then select Add Bank Account. This will open a modal window where you can choose your financial institution from the list provided by Odoo. If your bank appears on the list, you can simply select it and proceed with the connection. But if your bank isn't listed here, don't worry, we'll show you how to manually add it. Manually adding your bank. When you don't see your bank listed, you have the option to manually create it. To do this, click on the Create It button located at the bottom right of the modal window. This will open up a new form where you can manually enter your bank's details. Creating the bank account. Now let's go through the form. Account number. The first field is the account number. Enter the account number from your bank. Odoo will automatically validate it. If the number is recognized as valid, you'll see a green check mark next to it. If there's an issue, a red cross will appear. It's crucial to ensure the account number is valid, especially if you plan to import bank feeds later. Bank. Next, you'll need to specify your bank. If your bank is already in Odoo's database, it will appear in the drop-down list. If not, you can create and edit the bank details by selecting Create and Edit to manually enter the bank's name, address, and other pertinent details. Bank identifier code. This field is optional but required if you're planning to import bank feeds, like bank statements or transaction data, into Odoo. It's useful for connecting Odoo with external systems. Journal. Here, you'll need to link the bank account to an existing journal. If you don't have an existing journal, you can leave this field blank and Odoo will create a new journal for you. After filling in these details, click Save to create the bank account. Once the bank account is created, we need to link it to the journal. Go back to the journal window and click on Edit. In the account number dropdown, select the new bank account you just created. This will automatically fill in the bank field with the corresponding information. Once all the information is correct, click Save. This step ensures that the journal and bank account are properly linked, enabling smooth synchronization for transaction imports. Why manually connecting a bank account is important. So, why should you manually connect your bank account to Odoo? There are several important reasons. Automation. By connecting your bank, Odoo can automatically import transactions, saving you hours of manual entry. This synchronization ensures your financial data is always up to date. Accurate reconciliation. Manual reconciliation becomes much easier when your bank transactions are automatically pulled into Odoo. You'll have fewer errors and mismatches, allowing you to track your financial health in real time. Seamless integration. Whether you're importing bank feeds via services like Yodlee or Plaid, or manually entering them, having your bank account integrated into Odoo ensures that all your financial data flows smoothly into one system. This integration eliminates the need for double entry and ensures consistency across your financial reports. Time saving. Without the need to manually input transaction details, you'll save significant time, which can be better spent analyzing reports, making business decisions, or focusing on growth opportunities. Benefits of bank account synchronization in Odoo. By connecting your bank account to Odoo, you can enjoy a range of benefits. Faster bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation, a crucial process in accounting, becomes much quicker with synchronized bank feeds. The system matches your bank transactions to Odoo entries, ensuring that everything is aligned. Real-time financial insights. With automatic updates, you'll always have access to the latest financial data, helping you make informed decisions faster. You can track balances, expenses, and income without waiting for manual reports. Simplified reporting. With all financial data in Odoo, your reports, including balance sheets, profit and loss, and cash flow statements, are automatically updated. This integration ensures your reports are accurate and up-to-date, eliminating errors caused by manual input. Scalable solutions. As your business grows, the need for manual data entry becomes less practical. By connecting your bank account, you're setting up a scalable accounting system that grows with your business. Conclusion. Now that you've seen how to manually connect your bank account in Odoo, you can enjoy automated synchronization, faster reconciliation, and a more streamlined financial management process. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger enterprise, this step is crucial to optimizing your accounting operations. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.